What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about everything related to Dogecoin. So I'm sure you've heard already, but there is a lot of hype around Dogecoin right now. It is currently lingering around the 63-cent level, and Elon Musk is set to make an appearance on Saturday Night Live, and he's expected to talk about Dogecoin. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what's going on with Dogecoin and some important levels to watch out for. But before we get started, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I post brand new videos every single day, but let's get right into today's video. So whether you like Dogecoin or you don't like Dogecoin, it moves off of hype. You know, the more people that are talking about Dogecoin, that are tweeting about it, that are searching it, that are investing in it, obviously the more that the price rises. And I want to point out a pretty interesting resource. This is Google Trends. It's by Google. It tracks data related to like search queries and like YouTube searches, Google searches, all that good stuff. And we can see across the entire world over the past 12 months, the search term Dogecoin is very close to its all-time high. So basically what this tells me is there's a ton of hype around this coin. A lot of people are searching about it. A lot of people are talking about it. I've had a lot of people text me today, and I've seen a lot of people just tweeting about Dogecoin. And the more people that tweet and talk about it, the more the price likes to rise. If we continue to scroll down, we can see some related terms. But I just wanted to point this out because it goes to show you that there's a lot of hype behind it, and this is good and bad. It's good because it presents a lot of opportunities in the short term. But just, be careful. It's an extremely risky investment. I just want to stress that this is an extremely risky investment, but it has potential. Right now, Dogecoin is at, 62, 63 cents? It might hit 75 cents or $1 or $2 or maybe 20 cents. No one knows, but there is a lot of hype around it. And the fact that Elon Musk is set to appear on Saturday Night Live it's a great catalyst for Dogecoin. Only God knows what Elon is about to say on Saturday night, but if he says anything that is relatively bullish, who knows where Dogecoin can go? We can see since January, I think the exact statistic is like since January 1st, Dogecoin is up like 12,000% or something crazy like that. It's up just a crazy amount, and a lot of people are saying, well, if it can explode 12,000%, what's stopping it from doubling again, being up 24,000% or 50,000% or, 100,000%. What's stopping it? And that's what a lot of people are saying. And the more people that talk about it and that hype it up, the more that it's probably going to rise. So just be on the lookout for that. Another thing I wanted to point out is we're going to get into the charts very soon. I'm going to give some support levels and levels to watch out for. But Dogecoin is now the world's top 4 cryptocurrency. It has a market cap of $82.2 billion. So that's pretty crazy. But let's get into the levels. So right now, like I said, it's lingering right around that 63 cent area. It has an all-time high, coincidentally, at 69 cents. So that's interesting. But then after the 69 cent all-time high, that will act as a resistance level. A lot of sellers will be at that level. Expect difficulty breaking that level. But we also have a lot of buyers lined up, a big support right at the 52 cent area. It bounced off of this level many times in the past. And right now it's just kind of mid-ranged. Right now it's just in the middle of its range. Watch out for that break, the break of the all-time high if we do see that. I was looking through the past chart history, and anytime we see Dogecoin break above a major resistance, this thing explodes. Like if we look back on like April 14th, it broke above, 14 cents, and then it literally just exploded all the way up to 28 cents, right? And it, when it breaks these highs, it just really explodes. It also, it broke highs on, April 16th, it broke highs of like 30 cents, and it just exploded all the way up to 40 cents. So I just want to point that out. When it breaks these highs, it really, really likes to run. So definitely be on the lookout for that. If we do see that high of 69 cents break, expect it to run. That's what it's done in the past. We can see clearly it's on a very strong uptrend. After the 52 cent support level, we also have support right around 45 cents, which was a previous high. So be on the lookout for that. But right now, it's just in the middle of its range. The next major resistance level we're looking to break is that all-time high of 69 cents. And another resource I wanted to show everyone is Bitinfocharts.com. This is actually an extremely useful resource. I really like them. If we head over to the Dogecoin category, you can see a ton of great information about Dogecoin. You can see the total supply, you can see the market value, how much Dogecoin is worth, the number of transactions, all that good stuff. The median transaction value we can see is about $1,000. So we have some money flowing into it. Let's see what else we have. You can see like the top 100 richest holders of Dogecoin, the top 100 or the wealth distribution of Dogecoin. So there's a ton of great stuff here. One thing I wanted to point out from all of this useful data is the top 100 richest wallets. So we can see like the distribution right here. But one thing that scares me is this top address right here. This person owns 28% of the total supply. So that's a crazy amount of money, especially if Dogecoin rallies. So like the thing is like if Dogecoin hits like $1 or like 75 cents or $2, like I would expect a lot of selling pressure to come in from this top wallet. Because if this person owns 36.7 billion Doge and Doge is worth $1 each, I would think that the person behind this wallet would definitely start to unload some of those Dogecoins. So just be on the lookout for that. That's definitely one thing that worries me, to see that much of the total supply concentrated like with one person. So it definitely scares me a little bit. So be on the lookout for that. And like I said, Bitinfocharts.com is the website to look at. It shows you a bunch of great stats and info about the coin. But the main thing I wanted to talk about is really this Dogecoin will run based on hype. When we see Saturday Night Live premiere, it really depends on what Elon will say, and it just depends a lot on the social sentiment. Understand that this is an extremely, extremely risky investment, and who knows, maybe it'll go to $1, maybe it'll go to $2, or maybe it'll go to 10 cents. No one knows, but the main thing I want to point out is understand that it's risky, and understand that it really moves off of hype. The more people that talk about it and hype it up, and the more that Elon or whoever hypes this cryptocurrency up, the more it's going to rise. So it's really, if you're playing this, you're really just making a bet on hype. So, we're definitely set for a very interesting weekend. Definitely watch out for Saturday Night Live. I really wouldn't be surprised if Saturday Night Live announces some great audience numbers, great viewership numbers, because I know a lot of people are definitely invested heavily into Dogecoin. There's a ton of hype behind it. So overall, quick recap, check out the Google Trends Dogecoin. You can actually get very specific with this tool. I'm using the past 12 months, but you can actually pinpoint this data for like the past 7 days. We can see Dogecoin is definitely trending up. You can even like look in like the past day to see how many people are searching about it. We're seeing a kind of like just flatline, you can say, for the past day, but I would expect a lot more searches to happen with SNL and all that good stuff. And the more hype that goes into it, the more it's going to rise. You can just use, this is actually a great tool. I highly recommend Google Trends. And then also, like I said, the coinmarketcap.com, that'll be a great resource. And then last but not least, the Bitinfocharts. It gives a ton of great info. And like I said, just be careful, because that one wallet owns 28% of the total supply. So it's definitely a worry for me. I would expect them to sell a decent amount of their coin, depending, especially if Doge keeps continuing to rise. Watch out for that all-time high right around 69 cents. And if we do break that high, expect a lot of volatility. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I post brand new videos every single day. But other than that, thanks for watching.